Hello. Today's lesson is about hooliganism. Andreas, what do you think about hooliganism?
Well, I think hooliganism is a good thing, and I love to go and watch football games and fight the other clubs. And for me, I can't see what should be wrong about my life and my lifestyle and what I do in my spare time.
Well, that was quite a clear point of view about hooliganism. Frederick, I know your dad is a policeman at the football stadiums, and do you agree with Andreas? Is hooliganism supposed to be allowed at football games?
I don't think it is alright because there is a lot of violence in the environment, and the hooligan makes a lot of vandalism in the streets, and the police use a lot of energy and resources on keeping the hooligans away from the street.
All right, Frederick, I understand you, but Christian, what do you think about all this?
At one side, I think that I like to see football matches and drink beers with friends, but all the violence, it's not cool. I think you just have to watch some good football.
All right, now we have all of your opinions, and it seems to me that Andreas, you are kind of a hooligan. What do you think about the violence? Have you ever been in a fight?
I don't think it is a problem with the violence, because if I want to fight and when I fight, I do not hurt innocent people. I used to not fight in public, but when some annoying fans from, for example, Millwall, Everton or something, they make an abuse on us, but it's not our fault, and we can run away. So we fight back. But otherwise, we used to plan our fights, and we used to do it where there isn't any people. And when we're done, we leave. And sometimes I even talk to my opponents, and once I gave him a beer. That was a mistake, but okay, I try to be.
Excuse me, why do people become hooligans?
Well, good Christian. People often become hooligans because they come from a bad environment. Often their mom and dad don't have enough money to give them their daily bread, and then people go out and search for someone who can help them out of their problems, and in hooligan firms they often are like a brotherhood where they love each other, and when you just gets into this into a hooligan firm and feel how it is to be loved, then then it is extremely hard to get out of. Thank you. This was today's lesson. Remember to read Among the Fox to tomorrow. See you.